What if you had been an investor in the internet boom or the explosion in wireless? Can you imagine how different your life would be? Any great technology shift presents great opportunity, and it's here for you today. An opportunity that equips you for the future and gives you greater control in today's uncertain economy. Thanks to digital phone service and the revolutionary video phone from ACN, you have the power to ride the next wave of technology as far as you want to take it. Imagine being part of a company that creates life-changing financial freedom for thousands of people all over the world. That's ACN. We're attracting attention in very high places and among the world's most successful business leaders. One such leader is billionaire entrepreneur Donald Trump, who has built his career on recognizing an exceptional opportunity when he sees it.
ACN is leading the way in a new technology that will literally revolutionize the way we communicate with the ACN video phone. And trust me, it's changing everything. The absolute truth is that this technology will be present in every home within the next several years. The question you have to ask yourself is this: will you get your piece of the pie? ACN has a reputation for success. Success that's really synonymous with the Trump name and other successful names, and you can be part of it. Simply take a few minutes to view this important information, and you will be well on your way to living the life you deserve.
Founded in 1993, ACN continues to grow by offering more choices and greater value on the essential services millions of consumers already use and will continue to use every single day, as well as the services of the future. This is the market of the 21st century, and it now exceeds $1.25 trillion annually. ACN remains perfectly positioned to capitalize on this incredible opportunity. So can you.
How do you have freedom to do what you want with your time without having to always be at work and at the office? And as you build an asset for income, then you will start to have the time to really enjoy life.
The numbers made sense enough for me to just get started. And from there, just by having good mentors and such a great system, we've been able to plug in and have a lot of success in ACN.
ACN combines telecommunications expertise with today's home-based business model. It's a simple and proven method to bring more money into your home and more freedom into your life. A formula for success and a lucrative future.
ACN has really shared with us an opportunity to be able to have something that the corporate world can't give us. We have a quality of life where we can get up in the morning and decide what we want to do then if we want to.
To build a business is just a dream come true. The company had a system in place. They took care of all the hard stuff. Realizing I was never going to get rich working for somebody else, took a look at this, realized like the phone was not a fad. It was going to be with us long term.
It's incredible. We've been with the company for 3 years. We own the deed to our home. We're completely debt free. Our college education for all of our kids is set up. Our retirement is put away, and we sleep really good at night.
That's because our greatest growth lies ahead, and you can be on the ground floor of technology's newest revolution, featuring the next must-have device, the ACN video phone. Simple, real-time, a true-to-life video experience changing the face of communications as we know it.
Imagine seeing the person you're talking to, not just hearing their voices. No matter who you are, no matter what you do, everyone can find value in this technology. With my busy schedule, the ACN video phone keeps me personally connected to my contacts around the world without ever leaving my office.
The excitement around ACN's revolutionary video phone is spreading, and the world is taking notice. After a personal invitation from Donald Trump himself, ACN was featured on an episode of The Celebrity Apprentice, NBC's hit reality television show. ACN's video phone took center stage during this episode as the cast of celebrities helped launch the ACN video phone to the world. It just doesn't get much bigger than primetime television, and this is only the beginning.
One of the greatest things about this kind of business immediately was just having the ability to set my own schedule. Right there, that's priceless. A lot of people don't actually have that. Their entire day is dictated upon what somebody else sets up for them.
One day soon, every home or office will have a video phone, and ACN will meet the demand as the market continues its steady growth. It adds up to a lot of new customers needing a lot of new video phones. Imagine the possibilities.
Everyone in the future will have a video phone. So we're either going to spend money on this technology or we're going to make money from the technology. It'll be definitely one of the two. It's a digital revolution gold mine that someone's going to take advantage of.
The business itself has been designed to allow you to succeed. They've taken all of the speed bumps out of it. So whatever preconceived ideas you've had, do not prejudge this business until you've taken an honest to goodness look at it. Because when you look at it, you're going to find that what we say is true and that it is an opportunity that will work and it'll work for you.
To be truly successful in today's global economy, you have to keep your eye on the big picture. And ACN is doing that every day around the world.
Innovation is nothing new at ACN. With offices throughout North America, Europe, and Asia Pacific, we support the businesses of tens of thousands of successful independent representatives in 20 countries and growing. Clearly, it works to everyone's advantage. Our success has been profiled in USA Today, Success Magazine, US Business Review, Fortune Magazine, and Success from Home Magazine. Inc. Magazine ranked ACN the 22nd fastest growing company in North America within our first 5 years in business. Now we have evolved into the largest direct seller of telecommunications services in the world. What does this mean for you? The freedom to participate in the ACN opportunity at any level you choose, as a full-time career or as a way to earn extra income on a part-time basis. In our fast-paced, increasingly impersonal global economy, job security is a thing of the past. It's critical to have a backup plan for your future.
When I looked at ACN, I knew that this was going to be my last stop, that I could, again, put my whole family into ACN and our hearts into ACN, and ACN, through our work ethic and building our business, would take care of our family. You know, it was all about getting home with the family and being able to be a dad and really live a great lifestyle together and share the love with our family.
Now it's not about just the money. It's about, you know, I have more time right now to do what I want. You know, I love basketball. I love sports. I can play sports anytime. I travel a lot, which I couldn't do before because of money or because of time. So, you know, right now with everything that ACN gives me, it's not just money, it's about time and, you know, helping people in my families.
He traveled all over the place before, and I never saw him. And now today we get to hang out every single day. We get to go to lunch every single day together. We go work out in the morning every single day, and it's great.
Direct selling is actually one of the oldest, most respected business models in the world and has stood the test of time, most importantly. ACN approaches it with a fresh perspective that you won't find anywhere else. I know what it takes to be a success, and ACN has a winning business model, and I mean winning.
At ACN, our representatives earn residual income. Every time someone pays for their telecommunications services, you get paid. You receive a percentage of your customers' monthly bills. And every time you acquire a new customer or help an existing customer add a new service, you give yourself a raise. But that's just the beginning. Introduce others to the ACN opportunity, and as their customers use ACN services, not only does their monthly residual income grow, so does yours.
You can really build a true residual. Just maintain what the qualifications are. And the company puts no pressure on you like you have to do it. It's when you do it. Beautiful compensation plan.
With the time freedom that residual income gives you through ACN, you're able to pursue and do the things you really want to do. I love working the business, but I also love my family. We get to spend time together, you know, anytime we want. It's awesome.
There's no limit to the number of customers you can acquire, and no limit to the number of people you can introduce to ACN. It's a remarkable system where everyone benefits and everyone wins. So instead of asking, what if, ask, what's next? And get there first with ACN.
You have a great opportunity before you at ACN without any of the risks most entrepreneurs have to take. You have the ability to market breakthrough technology before it hits the critical mass. I've experienced the opportunity that exists when you're able to jump ahead of the curve, and ACN gives you that opportunity. Believe me, it's ultimately a dream come true. I found there are two types of people: those who take action and those who let opportunity pass them by. Which one are you?
Get back to the person who gave you this DVD to find out how you can get started today.